Ever looked at a professional photograph and wondered, how do they do that? What if I told you that you could elevate your photography skills with just a few simple tweaks? Stay tuned as I reveal 5 game-changing tips that will transform your photos from good to breathtaking instantly. Tip number 1, harness the power of shadows. Shadows can add depth, contrast, and intrigue to your photos. Use them to create patterns, highlight contrasts, or add a sense of mystery to your composition. You can even use shadows as a leading line to draw the viewer into your photo. Early morning or late afternoon, when the shadows are long and dramatic, is the best time to experiment with them. Tip number 2, simplify your composition. Sometimes less is really more. Try isolating your subject against a simple background to make it stand out. Use a shallow depth of field to blur the background and keep the focus sharp on your subject. This technique can turn a busy scene into a stunning minimalist masterpiece. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Tip 3, capture movement. Tip number 3, include a sense of movement in your photo. Conveying motion adds a dynamic element to your photos, whether it's a bustling city scene or a serene landscape with flowing water. Use a slower shutter speed to blur the movement, giving your photo a sense of life and action, especially when you have a few elements that are fixed and sharp, then you have something else in motion. Works great. Tip 4, experiment with color contrast. Tip number 4 is to experiment with color contrast. Colors can evoke emotions and set the mood for your photograph. Look for contrasting colors like a red flower against a green background, just to make your images pop. Orange and teal is another very popular contrasting color combination. Understanding the color wheel and complementary colors can be a game changer for your photography. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video about color theory. Tip number 5, incorporate negative space. Okay, tip number 5 is kind of similar to tip number 2. Embrace negative space. Negative space is the area around and between the subjects of an image. It can help to define the boundaries of your subject, draw attention to it, and create a balanced composition. Yeah. Use negative space to give your photos a clean, uncluttered look. Okay, 5 straightforward yet powerful tips to instantly boost your photography skills. Remember, the essence of great photography lies in how you observe and capture the world around you. With these tips in your arsenal, go out there, experiment, and craft the stunning photographs that you've always dreamed of. Take care, everyone.